Hey guys, I am going to show you how to make your very own cauliflower rice at home from a regular head of cauliflower. I'm sure you've seen this before. You can either do it in your food processor, or if you don't have a food processor, just a regular old box grater. First thing you want to do though is prep your cauliflower. Peel off the leaves and stems. I like to get rid of any of the like brown or kind of yucky looking spots, and I just do this with my microplane. All right, so after you've cleaned up the blemishes, cut the whole head in half, and then it's really easy to just get in there and cut off the stem. And then we're gonna go ahead and quarter. If you're using the food processor, you wanna take a step further and cut them into large florets. Pop those in the food processor. You can pulse it a couple times, you can let it run. Just make sure you don't let it run so long that you end up with cauliflower mash instead of cauliflower rice. So there you have it. It doesn't take very long in the food processor. You can see it's all ground up into this fine cauliflower rice. If you do not have a food processor, we're just going to take care of it with our box grater. So same thing, and quarter it. And instead of cutting it into those large florets this time, we're just gonna go ahead and grate on the big hold side. Once you get down to that like core stem part where there's no more floret left, you can just compost the rest. All right, and there you have it. You have perfectly fresh cauliflower rice. I love making my cauliflower rice at home because when you do it right before you use it, it's the freshest it'll be, it's the crispest it will be. This is really honestly just fresh enough that you could eat it raw. You don't need to cook it. It's great as a substitute for the grains in grain salads, or you can cook it up in a stir fry just like you would stir-fried rice. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to just simply saute this in a little olive oil for a simple side dish. We are just going to heat it over medium-high heat. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil and then add your cauliflower rice. If you want to make fried rice, you wanna make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. But today we are just going for simple steamed rice. So just leave that in the pan, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes. Okay, so this rice has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and you can see it's got a little color on it. You can also smell it. It smells really like nutty and toasty. And there you have it, perfectly cooked cauliflower rice done in minutes. So much faster than regular rice. A little salt and a little pepper and a sprinkling of herbs. Just got some fresh parsley here. Flavor away just as you would regular rice. See how it is. It's perfectly cooked. It's nice and soft, but still has a little bit of chew, just like regular rice. So go try it. Go make your own cauliflower rice. Enjoy.